Charles Darwin was born on February 12, 1809, in Shrewsbury, England. He was the fifth of 6 children, and his father was a successful physician. Darwin's mother died when he was only 8 years old, and he was sent to a boarding school in nearby Chester. However, Darwin was unhappy at the school and struggled with the strict discipline. At the age of 16, Darwin began studying medicine at the University of Edinburgh, but he found the subject uninteresting and dropped out after 2 years. He then went to study at the University of Cambridge, where he became interested in natural history and geology. In 1831, Darwin was offered a place as a naturalist on a scientific expedition aboard the HMS Beagle, which was to survey the coast of South America. The voyage was supposed to last 2 years, but it ended up lasting 5 years and took Darwin to many different parts of the world, including the Galapagos Islands, which would have a profound impact on his thinking. During the voyage, Darwin collected specimens of plants and animals and made observations about the natural world. He also studied geology and the formation of coral reefs. These experiences led him to question the prevailing idea at the time that species were unchanging and fixed. Upon returning to England in 1836, Darwin spent many years studying and refining his ideas about evolution. He was influenced by the work of other naturalists, such as Thomas Malthus, who had written about the struggle for existence in human populations. Darwin began to see how this idea could be applied to all living things, where individuals with advantageous traits are more likely to survive and pass those traits on to their offspring. In 1859, Darwin published On the Origin of Species, which presented his theory of evolution through natural selection. The book was met with controversy and criticism, but it also received praise and helped to revolutionize the way people thought about the natural world. Darwin continued to work and write about evolution throughout his life, publishing several other books on the subject. Darwin's contributions to science were not limited to evolution. He also made important contributions to other areas, including geology and botany. He was a member of the Royal Society and received many honors during his lifetime, including a knighthood. Charles Darwin passed away on April 19, 1882, at the age of 73. He is remembered as one of the most important figures in the history of science, and his ideas about evolution through natural selection continue to influence and shape our understanding of the natural world today.